Right, here we go. Next build I'm going to do is Jedi Bob. Good old Jedi Bob. Okay, rebuild the galaxy again. Got all of the ones I think that were released, or most of them that were released. Some I didn't bother with. But this has got the Jedi Bob minifig in it, so I thought that'd be quite cool to collect that. Plus it does come with the other three, which you can see there. So you got the Starfighter. It's called Jedi Bob Starfighter. It's got Jedi Bob, Akbar Trooper, and Servo, which is SRV0 or VO. And they all come with the set. It's 305 pieces, so not a massive set. I'm looking at the description, I'm not ignoring you. Set number 75388. Team up with the legendary Jedi Bob, who first appeared in a Lego Star Wars set in 2002, and he's back in action. So that's been like 22 years. Wow. Rebuild the Galaxy Disney special, Disney Plus special. Launch your adventure in his awesome Starfighter. Fire the spring-loaded shooters and battle enemies with his lightsaber. And when your mission is complete, drink blue milk and eat a banana to celebrate. Okay. Looking forward to seeing this new Rebuild the Galaxy series. Should be hopefully a bit of fun and something a bit quirky. And the only real stuff you got there is shooting, and obviously the normal shooting stuff. And then you can take the front part of the cockpit and tilt the cockpit back. So nothing super duper special. Wasn't that expensive in comparison to other sets. Obviously you've got the Star Wars tax on every Star Wars set, but because this was fairly good price to start with, it wasn't so bad, so I'm quite happy with that. 1, 2. Right, so there's the ball, and we've got plastic bags, which is a bit of a shame. We have got some stickers. Okay, make sure there's nothing else in there. Nope. Okay, sticker sheet, not that big actually, so I'm quite happy with that. There we go. There's a sticker sheet, nice and simple. We've got one wing piece there, which is a bit strange, and we've got 4 bags, so nice and simple. Bag 1 is the biggest bag. Interesting. Okay, put that down there. Okay, then we have the manual. What have we got in the manual? Anything about Jedi Bob? Probably not. No, not really. Okay, go straight into the build. Right, so that can go down there, and we can open up bag 1. Let's have a look, see what we got. You can see a cloak, definitely a cloak. Stop trying to run away. That must be the cloak in there. And then we've got some minifig pieces in here. Okay, small bag. There we go. And we are ready to begin. I guarantee that's a cloak. Let's have a look. Oh, it hasn't been taped, so it must be. Yep, one brown cloak. There we go. Cool. Put that over there. Put that down there. And we're ready to go. Okay, cool. I will see you in a second doing the speed build. And then if you could smash the like button, subscribe, comment on the video, whatever you can do will really help me out. Trying to grow the channel. This is all funded by me, not funded by anybody else. So would appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Only like if you like it though, okay? I don't mind criticism, not a problem. So if you even criticize my videos, just let me know. Thank you very much. done. I'll give you the goods and the bads. There is one piece that was not functioning properly on the set, and I will contact Lego service department, wherever it is, because it's not so good. If I ever want to resell this, it's never going to be reselling properly. Anywho, that's the complaint out of the way, and it is one of the torpedo launchers. The spring has come up, has pushed it, it's got a gap in it, and it doesn't really load up properly. But anyway, let's give you a little 360. So we got Jedi Bob. Hold on a second. I don't know all the names of everybody. I know Jedi Bob. Okay, so we got Jedi Bob, Akbar Trooper, which is this one, which is like a stormtrooper but with an Akbar head on it. And then we've got Servo, SRVO. I don't know why this has decided to dangle all over the place. Right, anyway, so, and then we got the Starfighter. So I do like this. This is kind of cool little build. Jedi Bob's cool. I'll show you the minifigures in depth. And then you've got the spaceship itself, Starfighter, sorry, which is rather nice. It's a cool little build. You have one bag for one wing and one bag for the other wing, so that shows you how much goes into one wing. It's crazy. But yeah, we got some features on it. We have, I'll show you this. Obviously the cockpit comes up like that, and you can put your minifigs in there. But then we've also got this, which is quite a cool little addition. You take that off, and inside you've got blue milk and a banana, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, there's your banana and there's your blue milk. So that hides in there like that. Put that down, and then you just pop this back on the top again. There we go. Done. So that's that. Then you've got obviously the torpedo shooters. Like I said, one of them was a bit messed up, but all you're supposed to do is just push it to one side and the torpedo comes out. Same here. Okay, easy peasy. I won't be shooting anybody or anything or whatever with those, but it's a good play feature, I suppose. Kids will like it, but again, hazard warning. You can choke on these parts. Don't shoot them at people. Don't shoot them at animals. Yeah, this is the one that's no good. Okay, right. When you, God, see, you touch it and it just goes off. It's very strange. Not so good. Anyway, let's put this one back in. I'm doing this, trying to show you, but I really should just get it done, really. There we go. That one pushed in perfect. This one doesn't. And if you look underneath, you'll see it's this grey block here. You'll see a gap. And the spring's moved and it doesn't sit properly. But anyway, that's that. The ship's done. You've got the leg here, which does fold up like so. You can just move it, fold the leg out. I kind of like it at an angle, which is kind of cool. So that's that. That's the Starfighter. Nice. Little droid, nice little build. Got a little panel on the front and green eye, little legs, and a little antenna on the top. Nothing fantastic, but I think it's kind of cute. And then you've got the Akbar Trooper, which has got a really nice printed head. Got the Stormtrooper normal body. So the front of the legs, got some colour in it, black, silver, grey, white, and then the head. It's kind of nice. I really like it. I do like that figure. And then you got Jedi Bob, of course, the star of the show. So we got Jedi Bob with his lightsaber, obviously, which is kind of cool. Let's take his lightsaber off. He's got a hood on, He's got print. Let's take the hood off. He's got print only on the front, not on the back, which is a bit of a letdown, but he has print on the torso on the front. Okay. He has two face expressions, this one, smiley face, and then he's got the Mr. Serious face. Okay. You don't have any printing on the arms, blah 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 blah, but I mean, 22 years with no Jedi Bob, I suppose you have to put up with what you get given. But it was quite expensive for what it was, I think. So for me it's not a problem. It's like I just wanted it because of the minifig. I'm not a huge fan of collecting all this stuff, but I do like the new stuff that comes out. I'm not going to be spending hours and days trying to find other stuff. I'm not that kind of person. Not that kind of collector. There is nowhere, which is a bit disappointing, there's nowhere for his lightsaber to be stored, which would have been a nice kind of touch, really. If you'd had a clip somewhere you could put him on, maybe. And I didn't see anything in instructions or anything like that, so yeah, it's a bit of a letdown. But there is some clips underneath, so I'm thinking I could, there we go, underneath. Cool. So that's a way. That means then that he can then pilot this with his cape flowing in the wind. I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's see if he gets in there. Here we go. Cool. He's in. Done. Sorted. Nice. Jedi Bob returns. Right. So I like it, but the Starfighter is a good build. I just got let down with this one thing on here, which I'm sure I'll be able to get sorted easy enough, because they're pretty good, stuff like that. So yeah, we got storage now. I've just created storage for his lightsaber. I'll have to give him another one. Must have parts for that. Build him another one, or maybe yeah, I think it went on the floor and I was testing it anyway. I could put the other torpedo there. That's probably where that goes. But that's it, all done. What do you think? Oopa. I think Jedi Bob's been drinking. Anyway, what do you think? Let me know what you think of the set. Did you want to buy it? Are you going to buy it? Did you buy it? Are you not going to buy it because of price? Or just let me know what you think in the comments. I wouldn't say that I'm ecstatic about it, but it's okay. It's just a minifigure, really, which is a shame that you have to buy complete sets just for a minifigure sometimes. It's colourful, it's nice, and I'm sure once I've watched the series, or started to watch the series when it launches, I'll understand a bit more about what's going on. But yeah, I like it, but I'm not ecstatic about it. I love the Jedi Bob, because that's everybody's talking about kind of Jedi Bob and blah blah blah, so it'd be nice to keep that in the collection that I've managed to make. Yeah, let me know. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. Do you think I'm wrong? Do you think it's really cool? Do you think I'm right when I'm saying it's a meh set? It's okay. It's good, but not amazing. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you again very, very soon. Have a good week, or hopefully you're having a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.